Lord Boyle. Forgive me.
Silence! You have been scrambling with my daughter.
Father, please, listen to your yoke.
Sir Free Range, I sentence you to death.
No! Father, please!
You can crack our shells, but you can never take our...
The camera lens mug, a cup that looks like an interchangeable lens. While it looks almost exactly like a Canon zoom lens, the mug's exterior is formed from molded plastic with rubberized focus and zoom rings. The stainless steel inner wall holds 12 ounces of liquid, and the mug's twist-off lid, silicone seal, and thumb-sliding cover minimize spills, which is appreciated even for those who aren't field-hardened nature photographers.
Peels will never get in your way again. The Swiss Curve removes peels by directing them backwards away from what you are peeling with its patented peel-back blade. Its ergonomically designed handle is suitable for both left or right-hand use. The award-winning design of the Swiss Curve allows you to quickly peel your vegetables in less time by minimizing the mess left by traditional peelers. Simply run the peeler under a tap to clean. As an added value, the packaging doubles as a drying and storage solution.
demonstrate our amazing 3-in-1 avocado slicer. This tool is great for preparing avocados because it splits, pits, and slices safely and simply. Its wide center grip makes it comfortable to hold. A plastic blade easily cuts through the skin and fruit of the avocado, but is not sharp to the touch. The center pitting tool lets you remove the pit with a simple twist. The hole in the back makes it easy to pop it out. To make perfectly even slices, just slide the round end through the fruit, beginning at the widest part of the avocado.
Keeper from Chefin is a clever solution for freezing and preserving fresh summer herbs for use all year long. To use, twist off the handle of the herb sickle and fill with the green leafy part of the herbs. You can see the herb sickle holds almost an entire bunch of herbs. Now twist to replace the handle and make sure the herbs are tightly packed for best results. Make sure you label the handle. You don't want to end up with a minty spaghetti sauce. Now place the herb sickle in the freezer. When you're ready to use your herbs, grab the herb sickle from the freezer and twist off the bottom. Then twist the handle to reveal the frozen herbs. You can use a knife to cut a disc of herb off for soups or sauces, or grate directly into foods. To clean the herb sickle, take all of the pieces apart and place them on the top rack of the
Hi, I'm Dan.
And I'm Eric, and these are Trongs, the utensil that stands like a tripod
So they're easy to pick up.
and put back down,
Trongs are great for eating messy so-called finger foods.
like buffalo wings.
And barbecue ribs.
Trongs' teeth tear wings apart.
And they rip ribs right off the rack.
Trongs are awesome for eating sushi.
Trongs are like
chopsticks on steroids. And the best part is, your fingers stay clean.
I know what some of you are thinking. Getting messy is part of the fun of eating
But
wings.
sometimes getting messy is just downright annoying.
But now, when you use Trongs, you can pick up your beverage between bites.
Free up your fingers for texting.
Keep a pair of Trongs in the kitchen.
Trongs are perfect for breading chicken cutlets.
I used to use a fork.
Get the fork out of here. Now you just grip it, dip it, flip it,
And the best part is,
your fingers stay clean.